So I just got done with the chicken wing dissection. The chicken wing is made up of the humerus and the two bones, the radius and the ulna. The radius is the more articulating bone that articulates with the humerus. There are a couple of different structures within the joint that we are going to discuss. The first one is the articular capsule. That one is the capsule that I've broken open here, released the synovial fluid. That was intentional so that I could expose the articular cartilage and show the different articulating positions on the bone. Now the articular capsule holds the synovial fluid, which is the fluid to make the joint more loose and movable, so that you aren't scraping cartilage on cartilage. It's a kind of like motor oil for lubrication. The next thing that you can't really see but it coats the articular cartilage is the synovial membrane. This is kind of like if you've ever felt dolphin skin underwater. It's super slippery. This is so the joint is more fluid when you move it. It doesn't catch on anything. If you have any kind of cartilage tear, you will feel like a click or a pop. Then we go to the articular cartilage, which is, you can't really see it from the video, but you can actually feel it's pretty rubbery. This is to take any impact that the bone has in contact with the other bone, so that you're not breaking the bones in any way. This is more of a cushion. And then the the synovial fluid and the synovial membrane are going to be the main thing for movement, so that the movement is not a rough movement at all. There's no pain in there. And then one of the diseases that comes with age is arthritis. That is when the articular membrane and the synovial membrane are inflamed. This comes with age. It can also come with repetitive use. So, for example, I have arthritis in my knee at the age of 28 because I ran a lot and had a lot of impact on my knees. The disease will alter the function of the joint by not allowing you to move it properly. So some people develop an abnormal gait if they have arthritis in their knee. With the elbow, they may favor one over the other if it's only in one elbow. And then this is the dissection of the chicken wing.